Cabana Bay Beach Resort. And what will we be doing, Dad?
Welcome to our Spring Break Staycation 2021. That's it, people. We made it. We made it to another staycation. This time we chose Universal Studios Orlando as our destination. And in this video, we're going to show you basically a tour of the resort. We're going to show you how the family suite over here in Cabana Bay looks like. And anyways, we're super excited to be here. We can always use a staycation.
Yeah.
Lots of work and not enough time for fun. But anyways, enough of that. If you're brand new here in this channel, hi, this is Cool Case Adventure, and we're here just with the mission to help you have fun, to help you make plans when you come here to Central Florida. So if you're brand new here in this channel, welcome. Anyway, so you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting for?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, you know how to do it. Hit it!
I could show you how to defeat
Alright guys, so one important fact I want to share with you. This is Universal Studios 4th resort, and it was opened on March 21st, 2014. This is one of our Universal's Orlando prime value on-site hotel, and it features fun retro theme that takes you back to the 50s and 60s. And we will show you inside the rooms and the hotel, so that way you see what we mean. But it looks pretty cool. One of the first things that you're gonna find is some of these cars from the 1950s and 60s. Look at these old classic cars. Look at that Ford, look at the Chevrolet. Wow. And some of them may even have some facts. 1957 Ford Country wagon. They ask you, of course, not to touch it. But look at that, man. It's awesome. So after the temperatures, now we get to make this line because we got some mobile check-in. Karen already did the check-in last night, so we should be in good. We got an email confirming
That we successfully did it.
that's it. Also, Karen received a text stating what?
That we were thanking you for your mobile check-in, and that it's great to have you with us at Universal Cabana Bay. We'd love to send you some digital hotel information and menus. Can we send those to you? So they ask permission to send you more stuff. So I said yes. So then they send you a link that says you can find everything you need to know about our resort here, and you go into it and it brings you to the Cabana Bay website kind of, and it tells you where to eat, like what things to do, so you
All
can
the
go through
activities,
all the activities.
amenities, right?
It says where to eat, pizza, coolest pools, the amenities, the resort map. So it lists everything,
That's
theme park
awesome.
information, so it gives you everything right there before you even get.
I like how they ask for permission.
They
though.
ask for permission, yeah.
Good job, Universal. I like that. Oh yeah, we're super excited. So the first thing you guys gotta do is you come through the main door in the lobby. There's a security guard over there, and that security person will be taking your temperature. And then once you're clear to go in, the security guard would actually give you a color bracelet. Today's color is orange, so every day, every single guest of the hotel must have a brand new bracelet. This is how Universal is ensuring that everybody is following basically the safety guidelines for the temperatures. Here at Universal, there is a lounge here in the lobby. Not sure if it's open right now or not. And also right over there is an open lobby that you can see out there. I believe that will be the main pool, which is in the middle of, I guess, two of the hotel buildings. And right over here on the back, there's the Universal Orlando Resort Vacation Planning Center. This is where you plan, purchase, and pick up. So if you're doing anything through their vacation planning center, that's where you will go. See the moment through room 4270. Alrighty guys, so right off the bat, right over here is what we got. We are in a family suite interior room, which means our room faces the hallway. Obviously we do have a microwave, coffee machine, a hand sink over there. We got a fridge that is very, very large fridge. So how long we're gonna stay here? Is it 3 nights, right?
3 nights. I'm so excited.
Yeah, we are excited. This is what it looks under the hand with the sink. Hand sink. I don't know what it is. Being that it's in the kitchen, it's a sink. This is like the small living room area. Backlash. A pull-out bed. And Karen's already complaining because she's too short for it. But this is a pull-out bed, which has their own TV. There's some drawers. They give you hand sanitizer. Make sure we're clean. And this is another cool thing about this type of room. They made it kind of like their own separate room. Check this out. Close that door with a sliding door, and yeah, the family member, whoever stays in here, gets this side. Pretty much, I'm assuming maybe Kalel, or we can be alternating since we're staying here for 3 nights. And let me show you the rest of the room. I like actually the decoration and all that. Also, I like the color. Look at this breakfast counter, right?
Bar.
Bar counter.
Breakfast bar is in shape
Breakfast
of a
bar.
surfboard. Has a surfboard. Yeah.
You got your own bar stool, which is pretty cool. So technically speaking, you can see, I think you may be able to accommodate up to 6 people in this room.
Yeah.
Because you got 2. I'll show you the bed soon. But if you're hanging out in the same room, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over there, which is awesome. Very, very comfortable and accommodating.
Or if you're one of those easy sleepers that can sleep while sitting down, you can just sleep here.
You sleep there?
I mean, you're that tired.
For your chargers over here, you got multiple things. That I don't know if that's for Ethernet or not. I don't know if you got Ethernet in here or not. But look, you have 2 USB connections in there, which is pretty cool. You got one more in there. Continuing over here with the tours. In this side of the room again, 2 queen size beds, closing the sliding door, give it some privacy. You also get drawers in this side now, which is pretty cool as well. And then TV in this side as well. Kylie's already hungry, she's searching for snacks apparently. You get another sanitizer in here.
And the old style clock.
The all-star clock, exactly. You can plug in up to 3 things over there because the plug is in there. Look at these paintings over here, which is awesome as well. And you also get, I guess this is a closet over here. It's pretty cool though. It's pretty deep. Our view is pretty much blocked at this point, unfortunately, so we don't get much of a view. We don't get much of a view over here because it's kind of blocked, but I want to say that may be Volcano Bay back there. Anyways, beautiful hotel. Beautiful hotel so far. Really enjoy hotels that have split bathroom like that. So here's here's where Carlos takes his beats. We'll be taking his beats over here, which has a private door over there. You have a separate hand sink over there. I like that shaped mirror. It's kind of good, pretty cool. But also, you get a bathtub in here, and you get another hand sink over here. I guess this is the brand that they're using. Zest. And VO5 for the body wash and shampoo. I mean the shampoo and conditioner.
I like the zest.
That's kind of cool though. It's very private, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Good.
Like literally every part kind of has their own door. So,
Any
private
part?
spot.
Any part? Oh.
Yeah. So like this has a door, that has a door, that has a door.
And here's one important question that I have for my family. I got this for my family. So I've been doing this room tour, and I want to know why nobody, not even one of my family members, between these three, have told me that I still have my mask on.
Oh, sorry.
In my room, I'm in the room with the mask on, and nobody has bothered to tell me that. Well, thank you.
We're just making sure that you keep practicing
distance,
how
yeah.
to talk with the mask so everybody understands.
I appreciate how my family has my back. All right, so we're about to give you a tour of the hotel. Hope you guys are ready, but with that, before we do that, if you're finding any value in this content, we want to remind everybody to do what, Kala?
Smash that like button.
And if you're brand new around here, what should you do, Gaila?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. This is your channel to follow, guys, where we can show you content like this. And remember, we do have a goal. May 4, we're about to hit 2 years in this channel, and we would like to make it to what, Kyla? What's our next goal?
1,000.
1,000 subscribers. So if you can, please help us by reaching that goal by either subscribing and sharing this content with your friends and family. So we decided to start at one of the pool sites. There's 2 different type of pools in this resort. So here is where the spa is, or the jacuzzi, but right now it's currently closed. Quick, this is where you can find some food. It's called Honolulu Hot Dog, and obviously you can find some hot dogs and cheeseburger, and they have basically hot dog and cheeseburger, fish taco as well, a buffalo chicken wrap. Just want to give you guys a closer look of the pool bar. Just like any pool bar, I like that they have a lot of, at least right now, a lot of space to sit down. Okay, this is one of the main pools over here, and they do have a lazy river on that side. So if you want a floaty for your lazy river, you can come over there and get it. This booth and get it. Hello, how are you? Adult sizes and kid sizes. They're cute.
They're cute.
Yeah, so they range.
These are very retro. Like,
Yeah. Alright, so I was talking over here with Matt. You come over here and buy your floaty, and they take care of you right over here. There you go. That's pretty cool though. So make sure if you come to Cabana Bay Resort, make sure you check out Matt. Come and check out Matt.
Yeah, Jeremy.
Thanks, Matt. Hey, Kyla. I bet you're dying to jump in there,
I
aren't you?
am dying. Why are we standing here for so long?
Yeah, and we already got our floaty at least for tomorrow, because Matt hooked us up over there. But look at that nice lazy river. We have made it to the second floor of the lobby, And at least in this side, this is where you can oversee dining rooms, and we'll take you down there soon. This is where the game room area is located. Parents, hold on to your pockets. One of the coolest part about this hotel is that they do have their own bowling alley that you could come and use. If you want to come and bowl, it's $12.99 per bowler. Up to 6 bowlers for 45 minutes. And they do also have food over here. It's just like a regular bowling alley. All right, so we just checked in over here for some information about bowling. Pretty much every day you gotta come here in the afternoon and make reservation for that. They open at 5, but they recommend you to be here at, what was it, 4:15 to 4:30?
Yes, so you can get your reservation.
Exactly. Make the line and make the reservation for the day off. So it cannot be advanced. You gotta make it for the day off. Also want to mention that they do have their own gym. And it's pretty big. I won't go there because people are working out. I don't want to interrupt them. But actually, for what I can see, it's a very, very large room. So they do have all kind of equipment like treadmills, elliptical, all kind of stuff. They do have free weightlifting and stuff like that. This is where we just checked in. Luckily for us, Kyle and Carol came here to check it out already, so they're kind of taking me along. So
He's filming the tour, and we're taking him to the tour.
yeah, there you go. They're my guides. This is Universal Gift Shop, and look at this. They already have the new merchandise for the Velocicoaster over here. Other pool that they have over here. How you will know this? They do have a slide over there. That looks pretty cool. And they do also have a grill in this side as well. So that's good to know as well. So basically, the pool is either in this side or behind that building over there. And as you can see, we found Karen's comfort zone, which is a Starbucks here inside the lobby. So she's as happy as she can be. So this is the Bayliner Diner, and those are the times where they are open. They open at 7 in the morning. They do have pastry, and this is your grab and go section.
Salads.
They do have a little bit of everything, some milk, some juices. Oh, s'mores kit. And similar to other resorts, they do have multiple stations. So they do have the grill station, international eats, and the pizza. And in this side, they do have a deli next to the pizza and pasta station.
Hola, we back.
So there you go, guys. A tour of the Cabana Beach Resort. A tour of our room. Spring Break 2021 for us has officially started. We're ready to have fun. We hope you enjoyed this video, but sadly this adventure has ended. And with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe,
And smash that like button and turn the bell for notifications.
ring, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye,
guys. Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.